Hey folks, this is Shrikant here. I'm a software engineer at Microsoft. And in this video, we're going to be discussing about what should a person in first year or second year of college do to be able to get a job by the end of their engineering. And how should they or what should they focus on starting now. Okay, so if you are in the first or second year of college, you are already in a good spot because you have 4 years or at least 2 years of time left to actually grab a good job. And that gives you good leverage to actually prepare well for this interview. Okay, so first of all, congratulations that you are watching this video at the right time. So if you're in the first year or second year of college and you want to get into a good company like Microsoft or Google, then the first thing that you should be doing is actually start spending time on actually doing development work and actually learning the web development process or actually learning DSA and all those things. I know some of these things might be covered in your engineering curriculum, but mostly, more often than not, this might not be covered in your engineering curriculum. Okay, so if you're a first year or second year graduate, second year student, then the first thing that you should do is divide your time between learning DSA and actually learning web development. So don't jump into getting into full stack. I know you go there and you will watch hundreds of YouTubers telling you, hey, you need to learn the MERN stack, you need to learn that stack, this stack, learn AI, everything, right? It's not gonna happen, guys. So you cannot possibly learn as a person. It is impossible to learn everything and master everything. I'm looking at folks interning at Microsoft, and I'm looking at folks who are actually trying to get internship outside over there. One thing I look at them and see common is they actually have either mastered DSA along with either front end or back end. They don't need to know everything, but you need to at least practice and have good projects in one of the things. So what would I do if I were a first year student again? By the way, while I was actually in first year of college now, so I was actually not doing much. I was actually roaming around, wasting my time. That is why I did not get to a good college by the end of my engineering. I got into Accenture at a very low package as well. Okay, so that's why it costed me at least 3 to 4 years more to actually get into a good job and all those things, right? So I don't want that to happen to you. That's the goal of this video. Okay, so if you're new to DSA, then start learning the concepts of DSA probably from Take You Forward, TAKE You Forward. You might already know this, so start it from there. You have the free playlist. Only resort to free learning for now. Don't waste your money on anything else. Okay, resort to free learning for now and start with Take You Forward. That's more than enough. There are around 400 videos over there. I can tell you similar content is being sold at other places. Just because you pay money for it doesn't make that content any better. What you look in Take You Forward is more than enough for you to learn DSA. Okay, but to learn DSA, you also need to know a language first. Na? So either master yourself in JavaScript or learn C# or learn Java or Python, whatever you're comfortable with. Pick one language and then actually learn that properly. Spend around 2 to 3 months on learning that language. If you're not started DSA, hey, I watched the video from Shrikant, right now I'm gonna go jump into DSA. No, if you don't know a programming language, first thing you need to do is actually take the time, aram se learn a programming language. Okay, so where do you learn a programming language from? You can go anywhere from Udemy, and this is not me actually telling you to do it. There are many other places where you can get courses for free. Even some of the Udemy courses are leaked outside. I'm not saying you should consume them. This is not coming from me. But if you find them accidentally somehow, so you can probably use them or not use them, or I would suggest you to go and take the course from Udemy. Now it just costs 499 rupees. Okay. So one thing would be, if you want to learn JavaScript, first check the YouTube tutorials, and myself will be making a playlist on JavaScript very soon. So you can stay tuned to this, subscribe to this channel, and you will get to know about that playlist. If you're actually going to be learning C#, there is a channel called as .NET, DOTNET, and that channel in YouTube will give you C# for completely free. All the nice topics are there. Or you can go to the Microsoft Learning portal and learn C# from there, because C# is from Microsoft. If you're learning Java, there is a very nice course for Java in-depth in Udemy. purchase that for $4.99. Yeah, pizza you buy, right? So you can actually buy this for the exact same cost. It will show you $3,499, but if you keep observing once or twice a week, it keeps showing you this $4.99 price. Grab it during that deal. And Python also same deal. Like you can either, there are many free Python tutorials out there in the market. Okay, so that language part is sorted now. Now come to DSA. If you're new to DSA, you got to spend around 60 time on DSA, and now start spending a bit more time on JavaScript. On web dev. Okay. So I would suggest either start with frontend or backend. If you don't know what frontend or backend is, I will make a separate video on that in my next video. Let me know in the comments below. Okay. So that is one thing. The second thing would be you need to spend some time on the web dev, like I was telling. So start learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I will link a video where I discussed about this complete process in a podcast. And I'll even make a video for you if you're interested. Again, comment below and I will let you know. The main thing would be to focus on the DSA part, right? So you know the language, DSA is something you can start. So start with this driver sheet. You can get all the resources. YouTube link is free. Just start with the A to Z sheet over there. So go one by one and practice them. Don't watch it like Netflix. Start writing it down. Use your iPad or use your notebook, pen and paper, whatever makes sense. Write it down, practice, and actually code it in your laptop or whatever. Speaking about laptops, if you're actually looking for a laptop, I'm actually launching my new startup called as refurbo.in, refurbo.in. It will be launched in about a month from now, where you can get the best quality refurbished laptops for a very good price. I can guarantee you will not get such good laptops out there anywhere. I have partnered with the best refurbishers in India, where you'll get it for free. So where you'll get it for a very good price, not for free, sorry. And you will get it for a discounted price as well. So I'm also bringing many other things like a TV, gaming consoles like Xbox and PlayStations. I'm bringing refurbished laptops, desktops, monitors, and many other things in refurbo.in. So you can check out refurbo.in. And I'm giving 500 off for people who register now. So that's also there. Coming back to complete front-end podcast here, video here. So what I was telling you was I would want you to focus on DSA. The first part is DSA. So do it on your laptop. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is web dev. So as I was telling you, either pick front-end or back-end. So I would suggest people to start with front-end because front-end is comparatively, I wouldn't say easier, more fun to learn, and it takes lesser time to at least learn the basics. Both front-end and back-end are actually equally hard. Having worked on both of them, I feel both of them are equally complicated. But I would actually start with the front-end if you need to. So in the next video, I will actually tell you what is the learning path for front-end development. So stay tuned for that. So this is your roadmap to get started with. I think you can get started with the DSA part right now, right today, if you're ready for it. So start learning these videos from these videos, and in DSA, go by the path in the A to Z sheet. Just start with that, and you need to write that down and segment them into different patterns. I would ask you to segment them into different patterns and actually start practicing them. That is what I would suggest you to do. Okay. I will discuss the complete front-end roadmap in detail and with some resources for you in the next video. So until then, stay tuned and subscribe to this channel and support me, guys, because this is a new channel and I'm just starting with YouTube. So subscribe to this channel, like and comment so that many more people can get this. And I promise you, I'm gonna get you most of the things which are paid content over there for absolutely free in this channel. But for that, I need motivation. That's where you come in. Please subscribe and like the video. Thanks a lot. This is Miss.